Hi students, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. Last class we started sign substitution reaction. Example also completed. If you see different types of examples, then we can understand very easily. See the next question. Why do isomers of nitrochlorobenzene not form similar type of product in benzene mechanism? Already we know that sign substitution reaction takes place through the formation of benzene intermediate. Now they gave compound nitrochlorobenzene. Isomers means ortho, meta and para forms of nitrochlorobenzene do not form similar type of compound, similar type of product in benzene mechanism. See one by one. First one, orthonitrochlorobenzene. This is orthonitrochlorobenzene. When this compound is treated with KNH2 in liquid ammonia, potassium amide in liquid ammonia, first this potassium amide reacts with this compound, this one. So in that K plus NH2 minus, so NH2 minus. Now here hydrogen atom is there. This bonding electron pair shifted to this position. This bonding electron pair is taken by chlorine. Then what happens? We can get benzene structure, that is this one. This one. So this is benzene intermediate having NO2 group. Now it is treated with liquid ammonia, polar solvent liquid ammonia. Then there is a possibility of two types. Two possibilities are there. This NH3 group can be attacked at this position or at this position. How can we decide its exact attacking position? Means here NO2 is a meta-directing group. That means it is a electron withdrawing group. Due to its electron withdrawing nature, it can decrease electron density at ortho and para positions. Electron density is decreased at these positions means positive charge is developed at these positions. So with respect to this ortho position, this is ortho position, this is para position. So here due to the electron withdrawing nature of NO2 group, ortho para positions become electron deficient centers. Here NH3 is there, nitrogen atom having lone pair of electrons. So this bonding electron pair is shifted to this carbon atom. Then we can get this product NO2. Here this one NH3 plus. And other possibility, suppose this electron pair is shifted to this position, then we can get this one. NO2 NH3 plus negative charge. Now from this we know that redistribution of hydrogen atom, a redistribution of hydrogen atom, then we can get final product, that is orthonitroaniline. From this one hydrogen atom is shifted, transferred to this position, then we can get this structure. Here also a redistribution takes place, then we can get the product NO2, NH2. Here, this is major product. This is major and this one minor. Because this is major and this is minor, because here reason is NO2 is a electron withdrawing group. It decreases electron density at positive and para position. That means, at ortho and para position, positive charge is developed at ortho and para positions. Here NH3 having lone pair of electrons. That's why it can be attacked at this place and pi electrons are shifted to this position. Then we can get this one. From this we can get this as the major product. This is minor product. So these are the products from orthonitrochlorobenzene. Now see the para metanitrochlorobenzene. This is metanitrochlorobenzene. Here two types of hydrogens are there. Metanitrochlorobenzene. This hydrogen and this hydrogen, anyone can participate in this reaction, but more possibility is for this hydrogen. This hydrogen involves in the formation of benzene intermediate. What is the reason for this? It is more acidic. This hydrogen is more acidic than this hydrogen. What is the reason for this more acidic nature? This hydrogen is present in between two electron withdrawing groups. NO2 is the electron withdrawing group and Cl also electron withdrawing group. That's why this hydrogen having more acidic character. Then this hydrogen bonding electron pair shifted here. This bonding electron pair is taken by chlorine. Then we can get benzene intermediate in this way. This is benzene. Now here same process, liquid ammonia, it is treated with solvent NH3, then we can get the product. Here also NO2 is a electron withdrawing group, so positive charge is developed due to its minus M effect. Positive charge is developed at ortho and para positions. Then NH3 is attacked at this place. Then we can get this as the major product. This is major. So it is sign substitution product. Sign substitution product. Because in the reactant this is chlorine position, but in the final product NH2 is attacked at the adjacent carbon atom of this position. So it is a product of sign substitution. In the first one, it is a product of direct substitution. This is direct substitution product. Because in this, at the same carbon atom where chlorine is attached to the same carbon atom, NH2 is attacked. That's why this product is direct substitution and here sign substitution this product. Now see the next isomer, that is para-nitrochlorobenzene. Para-nitrochlorobenzene. See this, in this what are the possible hydrogen atoms participated? Two hydrogen atoms, either this hydrogen or this hydrogen. Both are having same preference, same priority. This bonding electron pair shifted here. This bonding electron pair shifted to chlorine and is removed. Then we can get benzene intermediate, that is this. Triple bond is formed here, NO2. Okay, now this compound, this intermediate is treated with liquid ammonia. In this case, at what position NH3 is attacked? Here also NO2 is a electron withdrawing group, meta-directing group. Then it develops positive charge positive charge is developed at these positions. So this NH3 can be attacked at this place, then we can get the product. Okay, write the same structure, bonding same positions, then you can understand clearly. NO2, NH2. So for this is the major product. Minor one is this one, less possibility, that is this NH2. This is minor product. Here also minor product we can write. NO2. This is minor product. Okay. So here also what type of product, final product? It is also direct substitution. Direct substitution product, because in this reaction also to the same carbon atom NH2 is attacked. At this position, at this carbon atom chlorine is present, at the same carbon atom NH2 is present in the final product. So it is also direct substitution product. So this is another example for sign substitution having meta directing group.